No days off, no excuses, pain talk. I speak fluent, they rest, I keep moving. Same goal, new bruises, no days off, no sleep. Mind sharp, routine deep. You wish I repeat. Every rep build belief. Alarm ring, I'm already up. Same ground when it's hard as fuck. No crowd, no camera, just iron and trust. I don't need cheers, I need results. I don't count likes, I count reps and faults. When it burn, I stay, when it hurt, I grow. Every drop on the floor, this payment out. Oh, weak mind, tap out early. Strong mind, push through quiet.